Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we are making 2 bracelets that are Lilly inspired. My daughter and I were at TJ Maxx the other day and we found a couple Lilly bracelets, and we decided that we thought we could make them a little bit cheaper than what they were at TJ Maxx. They were $9.99 each at TJ Maxx, so we went to Hobby Lobby and bought 2 bracelets and they were half price. And then the bracelet on the right we got at Dollar Tree. And we picked up our scarves at Dollar Tree also. So it's real simple to make these. And now they're not hardly as cute as the Lilly ones, but they're cute for the money we have in them. So the scarves were $1 each, and then the Hobby Lobby bracelet was $2, and the Dollar Tree one, of course, $1. So just cut your scarf in 1-inch strips. Go from the bottom all the way to the top, and all you're going to need is that one strip to do your bracelet. Then just take that strip and carefully hot glue it on, and try not to burn yourself. Be real careful. So just glue the scarf onto your bracelet, and it's real simple. You are just going to wrap the scarf around the bracelet. And these bracelets, they're kind of hard to find. They were on an end cap is where we found these, and they're actually LED bracelets, I believe is what it says on the packaging. So we wanted to find some just plain hard plastic ones about 1 inch wide, but we searched Hobby Lobby and we searched Target and we searched Dollar Tree, and this is all that we could find, and they turn out cute. So if you can find the wide ones that are plastic that are about 1 inch wide, those will work the best, I think. But like I said, we didn't have any luck, so we went with these, and all you have to do is simply wrap the 1-inch piece of scarf around it. Try to overlap it and get it as smooth as possible, keeping it tight. Now you could, if you're real good at sewing, you could, cut the strip like 2 inches wide and then sew it so that, the edges are nice and they won't fray. But we kind of like the way the fray look is. I mean, it's kind of, summer, beachy, casual look and just fun, especially for a little teenager to wear. And so when I got to the end, I just hot glued it to the bracelet. And you're going to take that extra piece and you're going to make your tie, and you're just going to take that strip and you're just going to tie it in a little knot around the bracelet. And it's cute without the tie on it, so you might want to make some and just leave them plain. And they had lots of pretty scarves at Dollar Tree. And so here I am, I'm tying on the little bow or tie, whatever you want to call it, just making a little knot, and then you can trim your ends to whatever length you like. I did mine about 3 inches. So it's just whatever your preference is. And you could add 2 or 3 of the ties and make it fuller. So you can just experiment with it and make it however you like. But this is just what we did because it just reminded us of the ones at TJ Maxx. And like I said, we just wanted them fun for summer. And like I said, that one right there cost me $2. Plus I have most of the scarf still left to make more. So there it is, guys. Really cute. If I had on a cute sundress or something, it would really look cute on. I've been seeing a lot of people wearing the Lilly bracelets on Instagram. And here's the bracelet from Hobby Lobby. And I have small wrist, and this bracelet was still a little tight on my wrist. So you might want to try it on and see if it works for you. And right now, Hobby Lobby has jewelry 50% off, but I know today's Saturday, so I don't know what next week's sale will be, so you'll have to check or use your 40% off coupon at Hobby Lobby. And each end of this scarf has a cute little tassel, and I did not want to cut it off, so I left the tassel. So it's up to you whether you want to leave the tassel or take it off. And so I just kept it on. But, you can do whatever you want. You could add it on the end of your little tie, and that would look cute too. So just be creative and make it your own. Do what makes you happy. Same steps here, just wrapping it. Now on this one, I tried kind of folding the raw edges so that it made it nice and smooth and didn't hardly fray as much, but you don't have to. But if you look close, you can tell I was kind of folding them under, making it smoother than the first one because that bracelet's flat and it's a little bit easier to wrap. So I just took the other tassel off the opposite end and hot glued it on so that each end would have a tassel. And if you noticed, it was a little snug getting it off my wrist. And then here I'm just adding the little bow, or whatever you want to call it, so the little tie. And like I said, you could add like a different color tie on it, maybe add the blue tie and the pink, so change it up a little bit. It's just whatever you want, guys. And if you hear something right now, it's coming a thunderstorm. So I hope it's pretty weather where you are. And these are real simple and real fun. And that one cost me $3. So for $5, I have 2 bracelets. And I have plenty of material to make more. And so there they are on my daughter's pretty hands and arms. They look much prettier on her. And she decided she was going to keep the blue one, and I'm going to keep the pink one, or the pink and white one. So there they are, guys. Like I said, real simple, real quick, and fun to do with your children. Just be careful with the hot glue and the scissors. And there's the ones from TJ Maxx. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.